What if I told you that you could start making money online without spending a single dollar? No website, no ads, no fancy equipment, just pure hustle affiliate marketing with $0. Yes, it's possible. In this video, I'm revealing the exact blueprint to start affiliate marketing with zero budget, even if you're a complete beginner. Stick around because this could change your life. Before we dive in, why should you even care about affiliate marketing? No upfront costs. Unlike starting a business, you don't need inventory. Work from anywhere. All you need is an internet connection. Passive income. Earn while you sleep from old content. No experience needed. Anyone can start today. Step by step. Zero budget strategy. Step 1. Pick a profitable niche the right way. Don't just pick any niche, choose one that sells easily. Here's how. High demand niches. Make money online. Health and wellness. Tech gadgets. Low competition niches. Pet care. Sustainable living. Niche hobbies. Use free tools like Google Trends and Reddit to validate demand. Step 2. Sign up for free affiliate programs. Skip the paid courses. Here are the best free programs to join. Amazon Associates, great for beginners. ClickBank, high-ticket digital products. eBay Partner Network, physical products. CJ Affiliate, big brands like Nike, Walmart. Step 3. Create content without a website. No website? No problem. Use these free platforms instead. YouTube, Shorts, or TikTok. Quick reviews, tutorials, unboxings. Instagram Reels showcase products creatively. Pinterest, drive traffic with pins. Works like SEO. Quora or Medium, write helpful answers and embed links. Step 4. Free traffic hacks. No ads needed. The secret? Organic traffic. Here's how to get it. SEO on YouTube and Pinterest. Use keywords in titles and descriptions. Engage in Facebook groups. Answer questions and drop helpful links. Collaborate with micro-influencers. DM them for shoutouts. Repurpose content. Turn a blog post into a video, carousel, and tweet. Step 5. Track and optimize. Free tools. Use these free tools to track progress. Bitly, shorten and track clicks. Google Analytics, see where traffic comes from. TubeBuddy, YouTube SEO helper. How to get your first sale fast. Want your first commission quickly? Follow this 30-day plan. Week 1. Post 3x per week. For example, 2 TikTok videos plus 1 Pinterest pin. Week 2. Engage in Facebook groups and Reddit threads at value first. Week 3. DM 10 small influencers for collaborations. Week 4. Analyze and double down on what's working. Common mistakes to avoid. Spamming links. Nobody trusts that. Choosing the wrong niche to broad equals no sales. Giving up too soon. Most quit before seeing results. Stick with it for at least 3 months and you will see progress. Boom. Now, you have the complete roadmap to start affiliate marketing with $0. The only thing left. Take action. Drop a comment below with your niche. I'll reply with tips. If this helped, smash like and subscribe for more money-making strategies. Hit the bell so you don't miss the next video.